We will now demonstrate the cloud filling stitch. It can be divided into 2 steps. First, stitch a straight stitch. We are using 3 strands of floss, color number 10. Stitch a straight stitch at its end. We will stitch from right to left. First, complete the straight stitch. Stitch 1 at the top, bottom, and middle positions. At each intersection, we all stitch a straight stitch. This completes the first step. Then use 6 strands of floss, color number 8. Let's continue to complete the second step of the embroidery. Bring the needle through at the far right end. Then bring the needle through the middle of this straight stitch. Do not bring the needle through the fabric. Then bring the needle through the position above. Make it form a V shape. Then we repeat the previous steps. Bring the needle down at the last stitch at the end. We are now using 6 strands of floss, color number 9. Then we will complete the following part. Use the same method as before. Form a net-like shape. Alright, we have completed the cloud filling stitch.